It's New Year's Eve today, and I just brought my rail up to the church. This is my session spot when it is raining. It is currently raining, and I'm here. Problem is, I didn't bring wax, so we're going to get creative on this rail and find some tricks we can do over it. This is what happens when you forget things. You get extra creative, and it always turns out fun. Let's do this. Next trick is a tail whip. Bar spin. Try deck tap. Oh, first try. I'm feeling good about this 180 bar. Again. Don't you worry, I will get this. Perfect. I got it. So one more trick, tail whip to switch foot, to cross foot. Sorry, I forget what it's called. Sometimes it's the simplest tricks that are actually the hardest. I'll see you next time. Thanks for watching. I really like this trick.